Welcome to another BookingKoala tutorial. If you don't have BookingKoala yet, be sure to get it from the link below and follow along step by step. If you're new here, we have lots of tutorials about BookingKoala on our channel. Make sure to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can easily find us whenever you need help with BookingKoala.
When creating your booking form, make sure to include at least one frequency. Frequencies let the system know how often things happen and help you avoid double booking, making scheduling easier. If your business offers recurring services, you can set up as many frequencies as you need. First, navigate to the Settings section. Then Industries. Home cleaning, form hash, then hover over the frequencies. Click the Add a New button for frequency. Give your frequency a descriptive name that will be recognizable both to you and your clients. Now determine whether this frequency will be for a one-time appointment or a recurring one. For a one-time appointment, select One Time from the Occurrence Time options. For a recurring appointment, select Recurring from the Occurrence Time options. If you've chosen a recurring appointment, you'll need to specify how often it repeats. Select the option that states Frequency repeats every, and choose every 3 weeks from the available intervals. Once you've filled out all the necessary information, be sure to click Next, then save your settings to apply the recurring appointment frequency. By following these steps, you'll be able to set up your clients' appointments to automatically recur every 3 weeks without needing to manually schedule them each time. I hope you found this video helpful. If so, remember to subscribe to our channel and give it a thumbs up so we can provide you with more tutorials just like this one. I appreciate your time, and I hope to see you in the next video.
If you are interested in a simple-to-use cleaning business app, check out Clean CRM. Right now, you can try it out for free for 30 days.